Hi guys, I'm Kula, Kentico Xperience MVP. In this episode, I have the pleasure of reviewing an exciting Refresh 4 Kentico Xperience feature which leverages Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services, AI image recognition for image alternative descriptions, also known as the humble image alt tag. Alt tags are important for many reasons, but so many times are just an afterthought. There are some very valid reasons as to why image alt tags should be included and should provide an accurate and meaningful description of the associated image. To name a few, to ensure that screen readers for visually impaired visitors are able to provide a more detailed description of page content, to ensure relevant content and better SEO performance, and to provide context to a web page should the site experience broken images for whatever reason. However, for marketing teams and content creators, alt text might not always be front of mind when compared to the overall content creation process, coupled with deadlines that content creators might be working towards, and the resulting alt text might not always be optimal. Well, thankfully, the Kentico Xperience team have come to the rescue and engaged the help of some clever AI. AI is fast becoming ubiquitous and ever more affordable, thanks to platforms like Microsoft Azure and its cognitive services offering. And in the latest Refresh 4 of the Kentico Xperience DXP, the AI can do the alt text generation for us. Let's take a dive into the Dancing Goat website and look at two of the areas where we can leverage this new feature. The first place is in the page builder, where we can add images into page content via the rich text editor. So if we open up a landing page from the content tree, go into our page builder view within the page tab and scroll down for our rich text area, I'll go ahead and add an image. So I'll add an attachment from my desktop. Here we go. So here we have a cat at a cafe drinking coffee. I'll add that in. And we can see Microsoft Azure has given Kentico Xperience some alternative text. Cat sitting at a table, perfect. Let's insert that. Save, and let's see what it looks like on the front end. Here we go. And if we inspect the HTML, we can see here our alt text has been included. And if we were to remove that image, so go to attachments and remove, we've still got the reference as per our update in the rich text area. So we should have a broken image now. And we can see the image is broken, but our alt text remains. So it gives a little bit of context to a page where images might actually be broken. Next, the second area that we can leverage this AI is in the structured content. So structured content in this case will be in the articles. So if we open up an article and find our rich text area, here we go. Let's add an image. So use the image selector here. I'll upload an image into the media library. So coffee beans. And there we go. And we can see Microsoft Azure has given us alt text that says a pile of brown beans. So that might not be exactly the description that we want. So we can always update that ourselves. A pile of coffee beans. That sounds more accurate. We'll save and close. Save that. And let's see what that looks like. There are our beans. And if we were to inspect that, there is our alt text. Perfect. So there we have it. Another great feature added the latest Kentico Xperience quarterly refresh release. I'm personally very excited by the growing list of features powered by AI, and I can't wait to see what the Kentico Xperience team are cooking up for future refreshes. Thanks guys, till next time.